What if I told you there's a completely safe, all-natural powder sitting in stores right now that can permanently wipe out fleas, ticks, and bed bugs from your entire home? No chemicals, no toxic sprays, no expensive exterminator bills. Just one simple food-grade powder that the pest control industry does not want you to know about. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about diatomaceous earth. And by the end of this video, you will never look at pest control the same way again. This is the most powerful, safest, and most affordable pest elimination method available to any homeowner right now. We are talking about fleas hiding in your carpet, ticks lurking in your pet's bedding, and bedbugs buried deep in your mattress seams, all of them gone permanently. And this powder costs just a few dollars. Before we go any further, a quick safety note. Everything in this video uses food-grade diatomaceous earth only. Not pool grade, not industrial grade, food grade only. This is critical, and we will explain exactly why later in the video. Do not skip any part of this video. Every section matters, and skipping ahead could mean you miss the exact step that makes this work. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification. We drop new home hacks, chemical-free cleaning solutions, and DIY pest control videos every week. Let's get into it. The pest control industry makes billions of dollars every single year, selling you chemical sprays, toxic foggers, and expensive exterminator visits. Think about it. You call the exterminator. They come in with hazmat-level sprays. You have to leave your home for hours, keep your kids and pets away, air the house out for days, and then 3 weeks later, the fleas are back. The bed bugs are back. Because those chemical treatments do not always get the eggs. They do not always penetrate deep into carpet fibers or mattress seams where these pests actually live and breed. And the worst part? Those chemical sprays leave toxic residue in your home for weeks. On the floors where your kids play, on the bedding where your pets sleep, on the surfaces you touch every single day. Families have been dealing with this problem for decades, searching for something that actually works without poisoning their own home in the process. And that solution has existed for thousands of years. It was used by ancient civilizations. It is approved by the FDA for food storage, and it costs almost nothing. It is called diatomaceous earth. And today we are going to show you exactly how to use it. What you need for this entire method is simple. 1 bag of food-grade diatomaceous earth. You can find this at your local garden center, pet supply store, or online. A standard 2-pound bag typically costs between $3 and $8. That is it. That is your entire budget. Make sure the label clearly says food grade. Some popular brands include Harris, Safer brand, and Diatomaceous Earth brand, all widely available and very affordable. You may also want a small duster or applicator bottle to help spread the powder more evenly. These cost around $2 to $3 and make the application process much cleaner and more precise. Total investment for this entire pest elimination method, under $10, compared to hundreds of dollars on chemical treatments or professional exterminators. This is an absolute game changer for any household budget. Now, let me tell you the science behind why this works, because once you understand it, you will be amazed. Diatomaceous earth is made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. These organisms have been fossilized for millions of years, and what remains is essentially microscopic sharp silica. To us, to humans, to pets, to mammals, this powder feels like talcum powder, completely harmless. But to insects, it is catastrophic. Here's what happens at the microscopic level. When a flea, tick, or bedbug walks through diatomaceous earth, the microscopic particles attach to the exoskeleton of the insect. The sharp edges of those fossilized diatoms cut through the waxy protective outer layer of the insect's body. And once that layer is breached, the insect rapidly loses moisture. It dehydrates from the inside out. There is no escaping it. There is no building immunity to it. There is no chemical resistance. Because this is not a chemical reaction. This is a purely physical mechanical process. The insect cannot evolve past physics, and this is exactly why diatomaceous earth eliminates pests that have developed resistance to chemical pesticides. It works against fleas at all stages. It works against bedbugs, including those hiding deep in seams. It works against ticks, mites, and dozens of other crawling insects, permanently eliminating them as long as the powder remains in place and dry. And because it is food grade, it is safe for humans and mammals because our skin is too thick and our bodies too large for it to have any harmful effect. This is not something Big Pest Control advertises, because if you know about this, you stop buying their products. Now let us walk through the complete step-by-step application process. Follow every step carefully for maximum results. First, prepare the area. Before applying diatomaceous earth, vacuum your floors, carpets, and furniture thoroughly. This removes existing debris and brings hidden insects closer to the surface where the powder can reach them. After vacuuming, empty your vacuum bag or canister immediately outside to prevent any captured insects from escaping back into the home. Second, Apply to carpets and rugs. Using your duster or applicator bottle, lightly dust a thin, even layer of food-grade diatomaceous earth across all carpeted areas. Focus especially on areas where pets rest, corners of rooms, along baseboards and under furniture. You do not need a thick layer. A thin, barely visible dusting is all you need. Work the powder gently into the carpet fibers using a soft brush or your fingers, wearing gloves if you prefer. The goal is to get the powder down where the fleas and their eggs actually live in the carpet pile. Third, treat pet bedding and sleeping areas. Remove your pet's bedding and dust lightly with diatomaceous earth on the underside and around the edges. Sprinkle a small amount into the bedding material itself. For pet crates, apply around the base and inside corners. This is one of the most critical application areas because fleas and ticks spend the majority of their life cycle off the pet and in resting areas nearby. Eliminating the infestation here is essential. Fourth, treat furniture, sofas, and upholstered chairs. Carefully dust along seams, under cushions, in crevices, and along the back and sides of upholstered furniture. Bedbugs in particular love to hide in the seams of sofas and recliners when they are not in mattresses. Use a small brush or old toothbrush to work the powder into tight seams. Fifth, treat the mattress and bed frame. This step is especially important if you are dealing with bedbugs. Strip the bed completely. Apply a light dusting along all mattress seams, the edges, and the top and bottom surfaces. Dust the entire bed frame, including joints, screw holes, and crevices. Apply along the slats and the box spring if you have one. Dust along the baseboard directly around the bed perimeter. Sixth, treat cracks, gaps, and entry points. Apply diatomaceous earth into any cracks in walls, gaps around pipes, spaces under doors, and along windowsills. These are the highways that insects use to travel through your home. Sealing these points with powder creates a barrier that kills any pest that attempts to cross it. Seventh, treat outdoor entry zones if needed. For flea and tick infestations that are entering from the yard, lightly dust around the exterior foundation of your home, doorways, and any shaded outdoor resting areas where pets spend time. This creates an outdoor barrier that stops the infestation at the source. Now, leave the powder in place. This is where most people make the mistake. You need to leave the diatomaceous earth undisturbed for a minimum of 48 to 72 hours. For severe infestations, leave it for up to a full week. The longer it remains, the more insects it contacts and eliminates. After the treatment period, vacuum everything up thoroughly and reapply if necessary. For ongoing prevention, reapply every 2 to 4 weeks, or after any wet mopping of floors. The results speak for themselves. After 48 to 72 hours, you will notice a dramatic reduction in flea and tick activity on your pets and in your home. After 1 week, most infestations are completely eliminated in treated areas. The before is a home where you wake up to flea bites, where your dog is constantly scratching, where you can see tiny bugs on white sheets. The after is peace. Clean bedding, no scratching, no bites, no pests. And because diatomaceous earth continues to work as long as it remains dry and in place, the protection is long-lasting. This is not a temporary fix. This is a permanent pest management solution when maintained properly. Unlike chemical sprays that degrade and lose effectiveness within days, a fresh application of diatomaceous earth provides continuous mechanical elimination indefinitely. Families who switch to this method report never going back to chemical treatments again. One application, one affordable bag of powder, and a pest-free home for weeks at a time. Now let us cover the most important safety points, because doing this correctly matters. Always use food-grade diatomaceous earth only. Pool-grade or filter-grade diatomaceous earth has been chemically treated and is dangerous to inhale and toxic when used around the home. Food-grade is the only type safe for household use around children, pets, and on pet bedding. When applying, avoid creating large dust clouds. Although food-grade is non-toxic, inhaling any fine powder in large quantities is not good for the lungs. Apply slowly and carefully, especially in enclosed spaces. If you have asthma or respiratory sensitivities, wear a simple dust mask during application. Keep diatomaceous earth dry at all times. Once wet, it loses its effectiveness immediately. Do not apply near water bowls, fish tanks, or in areas prone to moisture. After wet mopping, always reapply. Never apply directly to an animal's face or eyes. For pets with flea issues, you can lightly dust the coat away from the face and work it into the fur gently. Always check with your veterinarian before applying to very young, elderly, or medically sensitive animals. Store unused diatomaceous earth in a sealed container away from moisture. It lasts indefinitely when kept dry. Diatomaceous earth is the safest, most affordable, and most effective natural pest control solution available right now for any household. For just a few dollars, you get a food-grade, chemical-free powder that permanently dehydrates and eliminates fleas, ticks, bedbugs, and dozens of other crawling pests through pure mechanical action. No immunity possible, no chemical resistance, no toxic residue in your home. Just a clean, natural, pest-free environment for your family and your pets. If this video helped you, give it a like right now. It only takes a second, and it helps this information reach more families who need it. Drop a comment below and tell me which pest problem you're dealing with. Fleas, ticks, bedbugs? Let me know, and I will make sure we cover your specific situation. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Next up, we are covering another incredible natural powder that removes mold, mildew stains, and grout buildup permanently with zero scrubbing. You do not want to miss it. See you in the next one.